guys, I was late, so we didn't get to go.
She has me starving.
Yeah, we didn't get to go eat our little snack that we had planned.
I needed wings, Maria.
I know, sorry. Ahí está la Applebee's, mira, allá. It's because my outfit didn't work out, you guys. I was gonna wear all white. It was a white bodysuit with the white pants, like joggers, and they were too big. So I just threw on a black dress, whatever. Jamel. We are actually at McDonald's right now.
For a little snack.
Yeah, for a little snack. Because voy a morder el mío, okay?
Okay. Good, because I don't like that. Alright, thank you.
I was struggling.
The struggle was real, guys.
Yeah, you guys, I don't know what's up with me. I just can't seem to text people back. I promise you're not the only one. Okay, you just shut the light. You're like, shut up, Maria. I don't want to hear it. Thank you.
We gotta catch the freeway now.
Yeah. So we're gonna. I feel.
She fed me.
Uh-huh.
The straws are like.
So cute.
We're such dolls.
Let's just try not to die now.
For us. Just kidding. I'm such a control freak. You're in safe hands.
I know, Andrea's like, who should drive? And I'm like, it's up to you. She's like, okay, I'm gonna drive because I'm a control freak. I'm like, okay. But you know, I'm the same way. If I go somewhere, I always have to drive.
Oh, yeah. Can we tell the story of Tempe?
Which one?
It was my birthday.
Okay, she's gonna tell your story.
Okay, so we're leaving and we were parked right in front of each other and I backed up and she decided to just go straight straight, and then there's like little parking blocks.
Yeah.
And she was driving the Eclipse back then. She just like ran it over and she was like hanging in there.
I'm such a dumbo. So you guys know how sometimes like the parking lots are divided by like a cement, like a block in the front? I just went and I was stuck there because I went like over it with my front wheels, and then they looked and I'm like, oh my gosh, what was that?
We stopped.
Yeah.
I almost peed my pants.
Oh god, I almost choked. Yeah, so then I was stuck in the middle because I'm like, oh my god, what did I run over? And then I noticed that it was the block, so I'm like, oh my gosh, like I have to go over it again with my back wheels. So then I just like
That was epic.
It was Padre's birthday? I don't even remember. I have such a bad memory, to be honest.
I think it was Padre's birthday. I mean, not the recent one, but like
like a few years ago. Yeah. Okay, guys. Well, we're gonna eat our hot and spicy and fries.
So we'll talk to you later.
We'll talk to you later.
Well, we're trying to find parking spot. Maybe.
Exactly. Yep. Because that's gonna be fun.
Oh yeah. We're gonna buy your peoples.
My peoples, my friends. Okay, guys. So I tried eating my spicy. Well, actually, I ate the whole thing.
But she made a mess, guys.
It fell. It went right in there. But I saved it. But now I smell like mayonesa.
And ketchup.
And ketchup. So we just arrived. I'm gonna put my heels on. My shoulders, this is why I hate working upper body, because my shoulders get so sore and it feels like someone ran me over.
Oh great, my phone wasn't even charging.
Oh, 62, 64. Ah. Great. Great.